You're finishing a client proposal. AI helped polish it up and it reads perfectly. Then you pause. Should I tell the client AI helped? That hesitation isn't overthinking. It's a sign you care about something bigger than the tool. Trust. You don't need to tiptoe around AI. You just need to know where the ethical line actually is. That line isn't about tech or legal rules. It's about emotional trust. Clients want to feel their information is safe and their voice is respected. And most AI slip-ups don't come from bad intent. They happen when we move fast or assume AI knows better. The good news? Staying ethical doesn't mean slowing down. It just means adding a few simple checkpoints. Here's your quick trust line test. 5 yes or no checks to help you use AI confidently, protect client trust, and keep your reputation intact. If you can answer yes to these, you're on the right side of that line. 1. Blur the details. Data privacy. Before pasting anything into an AI tool, remove names or identifying details. Instead of Speedy Wash Corp's $10,000 website redesign, say a mid-sized retail client's website project. Keep it general, enough for context, not specifics. Some paid AI tools offer privacy settings or enterprise plans that prevent your data from being stored or used for training. If you have one of those plans, make sure those settings are turned on. If you're using a free or basic version, assume what you enter could be seen or learned from, and stay on the safe side. 2. Own the output. Human oversight. Think of AI like a very capable intern, great at drafts, not ready to send on your behalf. You review, refine, and approve the final version. That's how you keep your voice front and center. 3. Verify the details. Accuracy. AI can sound confident even when it's wrong. If it includes numbers, quotes, or facts, confirm them before sharing. Your credibility is worth the extra minute. 4. Say it simply. Transparency. If AI played a real role in the finished work, be open about it. Something like, this proposal was developed with AI-assisted research and customized by our team. Transparency builds confidence, not suspicion. 4. Scan for everyone. Inclusive language. Before sending, skim for bias or unintentional assumptions, gendered words, stereotypes, or cultural tone. A quick read-through can make your brand feel genuinely human and welcoming. Small business owners who apply this checklist aren't aiming for perfection. They're building professional trust in practice. It's about small, consistent habits that protect your reputation and the relationships you've worked hard to earn. If this was helpful, like and share. It helps more small business owners find these tips. And if you'd like new human-first AI ideas every week, hit subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching.